Hey techies, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into how to integrate Evidently AI with MLflow seamlessly. This powerful combo helps you watch your machine learning models like never before. Let's get started. First up, let's get everything installed. You will need Evidently AI, MLflow and few other packages. Here's the command you need. Paste this on your terminal and run it. I have all set on my system. That's why it shows requirement already satisfied. With everything installed, it's time to import the necessary libraries. We are using Pandas, scikit-learn and of course Evidently AI and MLflow. Next, we load and prepare our dataset. We will use a student performance dataset, encode our labels and split the data into training and testing sets. I'm loading my data. I have mentioned this dataset link in the description below. You can check out that Kaggle link to access this specific dataset. Then I'm using label encoder to encode my result feature. Setting up my input feature and output feature for training and testing. Encoding my categorical variables in the input feature using getDummies method. Then splitting up my training and testing sets. Yes. Now let's train a logistic regression model and generate a performance report using Evidently AI. This report will help us understand how our model is doing. I'm loading the logistic regression model and then giving in the X-train and Y-train into the logistic regression. Then passing out my creating a prediction column in order to store the prediction probability for each and every input feature, so that Evidently AI uses this data to analyze and generate reports so that we can understand the data in a much better way. Then I am saving the target variable in both xtrain and xtest, because Evidently AI will look for the column named target. Then passing on my reference data and current data, then saving my report in the JSON format in my local. With our report generated, let's extract the accuracy metrics from the JSON report. I have uploaded a separate video for accessing this metrics from the report generator. You can check out that if you want to access any other metrics you need. I'm just accessing the accuracy and taking out its value. Then finally, let's log our model and accuracy metrics into MLflow. This will allow us to track and visualize our model's performance over time. I'm creating the set experiment as monitoring with Evidently AI, then logging in the accuracy metrics. If you want, you can add any other metrics you want. And then I'm logging in the model name. Okay, let's just run this code. To see everything in action, open the MLflow UI by running the following command. It's just MLflow space UI. There you go. There it shows monitoring with Evidently AI. Then I've run it several times, so that's why there's several runs. And here is the accuracy which I loaded. Okay. There you have it. You have now integrated Evidently AI matrices with MLflow to monitor your machine learning models effectively. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more machine learning tutorials. Check out the GitHub repository and Medium article links in the description for all the code and dataset used in this video. And happy monitoring. Thank you.